Now, I don't know how well this is going to show up on camera, but this is a gopher trap. So if you've got pocket gophers, it works for pack rats, things that burrow down, but really this is a gopher trap. And what happens is you'll put this down inside that hole so the gopher enters this way. And here's my little pin here. And he comes into the trap. He pushes this little door right here and then it just zips him right there. If you can catch that, but gets it. Your grandparents used these things. I thought I'd take a moment and show you how to set it. And I don't know if I can do this just freehand, but this little wire right here, this probe here, goes up, and you'll press this down. I don't know if I can catch that. Press that down, catch the wire right there. And then this metal flap here goes up, and you poke this wire through that hole right there, and it's ready to go. Then you'll dig out where that pocket gopher is. You'll dig that out. There's a hole underneath that mound. Dig it out. Usually I'll use my dandelion weeder, greatest gopher tool ever for excavating that exit tunnel. You'll poke this down there as far as you can in the tunnel. Now, the other thing with that dandelion weeder thing, it helps you dig the hole out, but it also helps you push it down a little farther. A little secret. I've caught hundreds of gophers with these things. They're highly effective. I'll take a little piece of wire right here and I tie it or secure it to a 2x4 or 2x6 board because it helps me set it when I'm out in the field. But also, I've had coyotes and cats take this. So there's a dead thing in there. It's trapped. It's like a free meal. I found these up in the upstairs of the barn, out in the pasture. They're all over the place. Well, if you've got a board there, it's easier to spot when it gets hauled off. Also, sometimes that gopher will struggle and I've lost them down the tube, down in their tunnel. It keeps that from getting, trust me, tie it to a piece of wire. It helps you set the thing and it helps you identify where it gets trapped off. Also, it takes two of these. If you get in a main run, you got to have one of these going that way in the run, the other one face this way. So you can have two traps in the same tunnel network. And that's how you use gopher traps. One more time. Let's see if I can do this without zipping myself. There you go. That's how you use a gopher trap in your yard here at Waters Garden Center.